Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Okay, I've been going for 4 good months. I am okay, I am well, I am thriving. We're reviewing hair, a unit from AliPrincess Hair. Let's get into it. They sent me a 20-inch human hair, 180 density, curly wig, okay? Look at this. Look at the color, baby. Like, I'm about the outside. What? Yeah, that's me. She about to be outside, period. But let's install this unit, okay? You're gonna need a cream contour. You're gonna need that. So I'm gonna take this, and I want to say the shade closest to me. So it's gonna be either this one or this one. Maybe I'll mix these two. And I'm gonna take those and I'm gonna put it on the cap, like. Combs, 4 combs. It's 1, 2, 3. 3 at the top. And of course, there's 1 in the back. Also, it has the elastic band, which is perfect because that means that it could possibly be glueless.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next
I'm going to get all of this gel off on my skin, and I'm just using a baby wipe to wipe that off. And with some rubbing alcohol, put a little bit on my finger, and just melt that right on there. And this is the unit. Get my glasses back on. Immediately, yes. This is one way you can wear it. This hair is literally so beautiful, so freaking nice, and I love it. I love it. I love how big it can be. Also, just for reference, if you want it a little smaller or a little less puffy, get you some gel or mousse or whatever, put that on your hands. It'll go down. It'll go down some. But I prefer mine's large and in charge. So yeah. AliPrincess. AliPrincess. In the building. Like, boo, they did that. They did that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And y'all, make sure y'all go look at my Amazon shop, because I will have everything in this video linked in my Amazon shop, and that's in the description below in my link tree. Make sure, if you want this look, mama, listen, if you're trying to have a hot girl summer, click the link in my bio and get this unit from AliPrincess. Don't forget, it's a 20-inch burgundy, 180 density, 13x4 curly unit. Like, you could wear it all year. Did I tell y'all it was glueless? I think I told y'all, but do not sleep. Go get y'all wigs. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.